Hi everyone, today we're talking about Apple stock and just a big massive crash in Apple really. When a stock goes down 10% we call that a correction. When the stock goes down 20% or more we call that a crash, and officially Apple has entered crash territory. Personally I'm not sure how long it'll be down there, but overall I think I'd just talk about Apple stock in general overall and my thoughts on it. But I think about, I'd say half a year ago, I did make a video on Apple, and the video actually got quite a bit of hate because I pretty much said in that video that I believe that Apple is going to go down and not do as well as people are making out. And that video got quite a bit of dislike from quite a few people that didn't have the same opinion. And it sort of has pretty much leveled out, and how I think would happen with Apple has happened. I was really surprised when it jumped up to 220 per share, around that mark. I didn't think it would go up there that much that quickly, but I think one of the big things with Apple recently is that so much focus has been put on the iPhone sales, and I think a few people need to realise that Apple is now trying to get away from like just the iPhone sales and trying to expand the business into services and other products. And a company like Apple, and the same things happened for Facebook this year, because people still focus so much on Apple's iPhones, and when iPhone sales are slowing down, like, whoa, that's the end of Apple, they've got nothing else. And you look at Apple and they're trying to expand the portfolio of things that they're selling, and they're starting to spread the company out quite well. I still believe they can invest into a few things to improve the company, maybe buy a few companies out like you see Microsoft doing, like Adobe doing. They're not exactly doing PayPal as well. They're not exactly doing that, but they are doing a better job than what they were doing. Facebook has the same problem. A lot of people look at daily active users for Facebook, and you've got to look past that picture now for Facebook, because companies change, and Facebook is now a company that is going for the kind of like the advertising platform, and increasing the advert sales, and increasing the price of them to get more money in. And Apple's doing the same thing. It's going to a lot of more sectors, like the additional cloud storage, the Apple Music kind of space as well. So it is starting to expand out a little bit more. So people need to get away from this kind of iPhone theory. But it is in a bit of a transition phase, and I think from now on, I don't believe Apple is going to be like a mega company that's going to go up, crazy percent and beat the market by double or triple every year than like what it has done recently. You look at the revenue growth now, and the revenue growth is coming down. It's not as much as what it was, but you look at the EPS growth. The EPS growth still good. They've got a great balance sheet. They've got a dividend that's probably going to keep getting upped. So overall, Apple's still a really strong company. It's not the company what it was. It's a company in transition, but it's a good company in a transition to a good place, and people just need to expect that. Overall, in 5 years' time, we're going to see Apple go up in share price. I believe so. So from long-term hold, Apple's still a good company. Potentially, I do believe there's better companies out there to hold than Apple, but overall, it's still going to be a very strong company. Revenue is not going to go down. It's still growing slightly, and well-run company. iPhones aren't going to go anywhere over the next 5 years. Same with a lot of the other products. So they're still in a safe place right now. So they're still definitely investable company in my point of view. Obviously, it's getting a lot of downgrades because it's iPhone sales, but overall, it's a good company to hold in your portfolio. So I thought I'd just address Apple overall, because I've been one of the people that's kind of criticised Apple quite a bit on YouTube. Probably one of the only YouTubers that have come out and pretty much say that I downgraded Apple. And in like my videos, I was saying like it probably what isn't going to do as well. And I got a lot of hate for it, and now I'm kind of coming out and backing up Apple. So like, done a whole U-turn. Like I say, I think there's better companies to hold than Apple, but overall it's still a strong company. It's going to go up long term. So don't worry too much about if you're an Apple shareholder. In my opinion, guys, I think if you're planning to hold this for a few years, it's probably a good opportunity to buy, guys. But I thought I'd just talk about that because it's stock that I hated on quite a bit a long time ago, but I felt like I need to give it a little bit of support after the week it's had recently. So thanks for watching, guys. Give the video a like, subscribe, thanks for the support recently, and I'll see you on the next video.